Good afternoon. Welcome to day 435 here at the St. Clair County EMA office for our daily COVID briefing. I'm joined today by County Board Chairman Mark Kern, and we will get right into the numbers. In St. Clair County, we've tested 358,527, and that is an increase of 467 since yesterday. Positive test results are 30,983, which is an increase of 19 since yesterday. Those are males and females from their 20s up to their 80s, and that brings our daily county positivity to 4.1%. For negative test results, we're at 327,544. For COVID-19 related deaths, our total remains at 479. For those that have completed their IDPH required 10-day isolation period, we are at 30,318. For state totals, they've tested 24,184,067. Positive test results of 1,374,565, which is an increase of 1,108 since yesterday. Sadly, the state did announce 43 additional COVID-19 related deaths, bringing the statewide death total to 22,599. For hospitalizations, those admitted in St. Clair County hospitals, we have 11 patients admitted due to COVID-related illness, with one patient on a ventilator. Regionally, there are 31 patients admitted due to COVID-related illness, with 3 patients on a ventilator. There are no changes in our congregate living facilities, and as we talked yesterday with the detection of variants of this virus, testing remains critically important. Testing is available Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday at St. Clair Square from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. and daily at various pharmacies and urgent care centers throughout the county. I'll turn it over to the chairman for his update.
Thanks, Brian. And it seems the new normal of people getting vaccinated runs around 300 people a day at the fairgrounds. So there is plenty of capacity. You'll get right in, right out. You don't need an appointment. You can get signed up right there. And everyone now 12 and above is eligible to be vaccinated if you're getting the Pfizer vaccine.
That is correct. And we've had a lot of questions about, well, if I get my first dose now, the fairgrounds is going to be closed. 330 West Main is currently being modified to where it will handle at least the 300 a day. So there will be no concern of, will your second dose be available? Absolutely, we will have options in that same drive-through format for second doses. Just get down there and get that first dose.
Team St. Clair is going to see this COVID-19 crisis through. We're going to make sure that we rid our community of COVID-19 so we can all get back to normal. I was at the ball game last night, and it sure felt normal, except we lost, which shouldn't be normal.
You didn't bring much of a win home there.
Let's hope that's not the new normal for the Cardinals. But here we go with the zip code report for today. 62059 is down 1 to 41. 62205 up 1 to 683. 62206 up 2 to 1,428. 62208 up 1 to 1,751. 62220 down 1 to 2,207. 62223 up 4 to 1,880. 62226 up 2 to 3,401. And 62239 down 1 to 503. As Brian said, 19 people have contracted COVID over the past day, and so those 19 new COVID positives calculated with the 467 people tested brings our county positivity down to 4.1%, and the rolling average actually, though, does go up to 2.9%. Regional positivity, though, stays the same at 2.3%. Because Bond County is 2.5% today, Clinton negative 0.6%, Madison 1.9%, Monroe 3%, Randolph is 0%, St. Clair 2.7%, and Washington County is at 3.6%. So the numbers seem to be holding pretty steady. Hospitalizations, around that 11 level, and one person on a ventilator, unfortunately. But we seem to be holding our numbers pretty consistent now.
Yep. Had deaths the past couple days. It was good that streak didn't continue today. Hopefully this person that's on a ventilator is able to to come off successfully. And but it just reminds us that we still need to be vigilant. Yes, we have a lot more opportunity now that we can do things. Businesses have expanded. Masking has changed for those that have been vaccinated. But it reminds us that it's still here, and that it's still important that we do those things to make each other safe, and encourage those that haven't been vaccinated. If they have questions, help them find the answers to those questions so that we can continue to move through this, not discover any more of those variants, and ultimately rid our county, our state, and this country of COVID-19.
It feels good to be vaccinated because you know that the chances of you catching anything are very low. So it makes going to a ball game or a hockey game or a family event far more enjoyable because you don't have that little worry sitting in the back of your head because you've gone to the fairgrounds or you've gone to one of our local hospitals or medical facilities to get your vaccination. It's simple, it's painless, and right now it's pretty quick to get in and out. So.
Absolutely. And we've been working with some of the village and municipal officials. Starting in early June, we're going to be having mobile clinics where we will be bringing teams out into those communities to catch more people that aren't able to get to one of our vaccination sites, and hopefully can continue to increase that number. So.
And I think those clinics then will extend to the schools for the younger population because they're now eligible, and we're going to get through this and get rid of COVID-19.
We actually have clinics next week, Monday and Tuesday, at Belleville East and Belleville West High Schools, and a letter went out to all of their feeder schools yesterday, letting all their feeder schools know your 12-year-olds and above are eligible to make an appointment and come here to the high school and get a vaccine. They'll vaccinate anybody 12 or older. If the parent is bringing their child and hasn't been vaccinated, they'll take care of getting them a shot too. So definitely opportunity out there. It's important that you get those questions answered. If there's a reason you're not getting the vaccine, see what you can do to get the answer you're looking for and hopefully become part of that solution. We'll be back in a few moments with Cindy to translate this to our Spanish communities. And we'll be back tomorrow for our question and answer session. Look for that portal posted this evening. Put any questions you have in there, and our panel will do their best to answer those questions tomorrow on day 436. Thanks for joining us.